What's going on, guys? So today I'm just going to be taking out the rest of the rotors. I know in my last video I took out only one of the rotor and installed one of them, but I'll be switching out these old ones right here. See how ugly and plain they are. Be switching out with some Breaknetics. So yeah, that's pretty much how I'm going to do it. It's going to be quick and easy, and let's get to it. So these are the OEM ones. Obviously I took out the brake caliper already. I took out the brake pads, and these are pretty easy to take out. All you gotta do is take out the two bolts right there. There's one on the other side, one on each side, and they pop right off. And be careful, make sure you hang them or set them aside at the top so that you don't break or damage the brake line, which is located at the back. Set those aside.
Wow! Oh yeah!
Look at that. Big difference. Went from that to that. Which one you gonna pick? Start tightening the Brembos. So I know my Brembos are faded. Look at that. That's really bad. So I'm gonna get these powder coated soon. Stay tuned for that, guys. It's gonna be nice. I'm still deciding on which color. If you have any suggestions on what color I should pick and color these Brembos, leave it on the comment down below. And let me know what you think, guys. I'll slide in the brake pads. Two of them there. Take your caliper pins and put them on. Now insert this. Top pin is in place. Bottom pin, top pin. Holding shim. And now it's time to put on the wheel. Alright, wheel is in place. Time to put on the lug nuts. Goodbye, old rusteds. I forgot to video the back because I didn't install the back rotors yet. So guys, another fine day here in Washington. The sun finally came out again. It's always a blessing for the sun to always be out. Gives me more time to actually work on the car, work on the Evo, as you can see right there. And yeah, I always try to enjoy these sunny days and take advantage because yeah, they're very rare here in Washington. We only get like 3 months of pure sunshine, and sun breaks like these is always a blessing. So yeah, let's go. I'd like to give a great big thank you to Breaknetics for providing me with these awesome rotors. They provided me the full set front and back, so when you get a chance, please check the description below. I'll leave the link below to direct them to their website. There are plenty to choose from, so I'll put the link down below. Go check them out. And big thank you, Breaknetics. Thank you for giving me these rotors. Tips and tricks. So let's go grab those new rotors for the rear. gave me a really hard time. I was screaming, I was pretty much banging on that old rotor. I realized that I had to pull or put the e-brake down. So guys, lesson learned, if you're gonna take out the rear rotors, make sure that you put the e-brake down. Be smart, don't be an idiot like me and try to take it out with the e-brake on. Put the e-brake down. Don't be like me. Yeah. Check out the difference between the two. Alright guys, got the rotors in. Time to install the TEs. Fully installed brake-netic rotors, slotted and drilled. So that's pretty much it guys. So it didn't take too long. I did have problems with the removal of it because I didn't put the e-brake down, so keep that in mind. It does look a million times better, but let me know in the comment below what you think, and I'll let you know later on the performance of them. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Pretty easy. Thank you again guys. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one.